Assalamualaikum and welcome to our workshop 1. Today we'll be explaining about the empathy map and user persona. This is our empathy map for our project, which is student event management system. Today I'll be explaining about the task for this empathy map. For task for the event organizer is to planning and organizing event, promoting event, to attract participants, managing event logistics and resources, and lastly, ensuring effective communication with the participant.
Ahmad's task as an event organizer would sometimes bring challenge to his feelings, such as being stressed due to tight deadlines and limited resources. At the same time, he would feel frustrated by the communication challenges and coordination issues.
Okay, now I will share with you about pain points. So there are 3 pain points that are stated in the empathy map. Firstly, we have the lack of centralized platform for event management. So what are the impacts of the pain points? Firstly, this fragmentation can result in missed deadlines, overlooked tasks, and inefficient management of resources. Second, we have confusion and misunderstanding due to ineffective communication channels. So the impact are the miscommunication can lead to errors in event planning, such as double booking venues, incorrect scheduling, and unclear instruction to participants and volunteers. Lastly, challenges in gauging student interest and preference accurately. Without accurate insights into student preference, event may not align with their interests, leading to lower attendance and engagement. In summary, this pain point highlight the need for a more streamlined, efficient, and centralized approach to managing student events.
Therefore, its overall goal is to streamline the event planning and management process, and also to increase student engagement and participation.
So next I will tell about influence. First is availability to resource, which is for example venue or funding. Second is trends in student interest and preferences. And the third is there are too many platforms used to blast event notification, leading to inefficiency.
Now, we're talking about the typical user persona to understand the user, including their background, goals, and challenges. It also helps to understand who the user is and what they need. Our first user name is Daniel Umar. He is a 24 years old student living in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. He is an EXCO member of the Program and Protocol Committee in Diploma in Computer Science Club. He is a proactive, detail-oriented, collaborative, and resourceful person.
Okay, now I will talk about Daniel Omar's motivation and goals and needs. Firstly, to create memorable experiences for fellow club members. Second, to contribute positively to the club's reputation, overcome challenges and improve event organizing skills, and lastly, to drive to enhance the quality and success of the club events. For goals and needs, firstly, Daniel Omar wants to successfully plan and execute engaging events. Second, to foster a sense of community within the club, enhance the overall student experience, and lastly, to streamline event organization process for efficiency and effectiveness. So, by focusing on this motivation and goals, Daniel aims to not only improve his own skills, but also to create a positive and memorable experience for all club members.
So next I will talk about Daniel Omar behavioral and habits. So first, he is proficient in using social media platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram for event promotions. He is also actively seeking streamlines and automate solutions to improve the event management process. He also always values feedback and input from fellow club members in the decision-making process. So Daniel Omar's frustration is the manual nature of event organization process. It is also time-consuming and also inefficient. Second is He is difficult in managing communication across multiple platforms. And the third is struggles with even lack of engagement, leading to insufficient outcome.
This is our second user persona for Farhan. So, a little bit by the top of Farhan. So, he is 25 years old. He is also a student that is located in Selangor, Malaysia. And his occupation is event organizer. So, Farhan Mansur is an energetic person and well organized. He's also tech savvy. And Farhan Mansur loves to social with other people. So, what is the motivation of Farhan Mansur to do the event? The first one, he want to create unforgettable experience for event participants, foster a sense of community and connection among attenders. He also wants to improve event management processes for efficiency and effectiveness. Also, not to forget, he want to enhance the reputation and success of each event.
Farhan's goals and needs involves a smooth event management by understanding the venue details such as its capacity, scheduling, and coupon. He would also require a platform for the event registration, feedback collection, and the synchronization of the event details. He would also seek methods to limit the attendee numbers effectively and automate event fees and certificate distribution. His behavioral and habits involve him being socially active, engaging in social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp to promote events and engage with participants. He would regularly seek feedback from these participants to improve future event experiences. He would also maintain a structured approach to event planning and execution, ensuring tasks are completed on time. However, he is frustrated on the lack of centralized platform like for event management, resulting in a fragmented communication and organization. He would also face challenges in limiting attendee numbers effectively, which could have potential impacting the quality of the event experience. The manual process for the event fee collection and certificate distribution are time consuming and has chances to prone to errors. That would be all from us, and thank you very much.